This is Jeremy Glover, the Resilient Banker. I wanted to show you how live trades look on Tradelocker. We have a buy going in on gold. XAU is gold. We are floating in $81, $83 in profit. In order to close out these trades, you hit the X's. Once you hit the X's and hit confirm, it'll close out your trade. But we're gonna hold these until TP hits. As you can see, we have our stop loss into stop profit. So which means, let's take a look. So that means if stop loss hits, I will be making $2.90 on that. And if stop loss hits on this, I'll be making $17.40. So that means I literally cleared $20. I cleared $20 if this trade goes bad. So you definitely want to tap in with us when we you definitely want to tap in with us if you want to secure your profits in your account, and if you want to get funded and learn the strategies and trade like a professional trader, you definitely want to link with the Resilient Banker today. Thank you. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to this channel.